2026 is the year of working smarter and not harder, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys all of the tools you need as a small business owner in order to stay organized, save time and scale faster than ever. Today I'm breaking down the best tools to manage your small business in 2026. Whether you're a product business owner, a digital product business owner or a creator, these tools are going to help to make 2026 your best year ever in business. I know that this year has been my best year in a very long time, and thanks to all of these tools, I've managed to scale my business, both my creator business and my product-based business, faster and better. The first one is a AI prompt writer. If you are a user of AI tools like Gemini or chatgpt, this website is going to make your prompts next level. When I tell you, I will write a prompt into chatgpt and I get good results, but I just feel like there is more questions that I have to keep asking it in order to get the results that I actually want. Whereas if you use this website, Prompt Cowboy, this is going to help you to get really detailed. This tool is completely free, and as you can see here, you can just enter a prompt that you have. You can tell it what result you want from your AI tool and it will write a better prompt for you. And then it even asks you other questions at the side of the website where you can enter things like a bit more about your brand story and any extras that are just going to help to make a better prompt. And when I tell you, when I started to use this website, it has made my process of working with ChatGPT much faster. You can use this to write better product description, content ideas, email marketing writing, legal documents and explanation, and clearer messages for suppliers, which is something that has really changed the game for me. It takes away a lot of the back and forth and any kind of problems with communication. It's like having a translator that is going to turn your messy thoughts into a proper and precise prompt. If you are a complete beginner to e-commerce and you just want to create a store super quickly and make the process so easy, Everbee is the tool for you. And this is great because you can create a store from scratch with a simple prompt, and it's really easy for you to just enter your branding, change your colors and change the text and what you want on your store. Perfect especially for those who already are selling on Etsy or those who are creators. So say you already have an audience that are following you and you need to be able to sell to them tomorrow, you can simply just sign up to Everbee. You can also manage everything in the back end from your orders, you can add plugins, and you can use their AI tool to create better descriptions and policies for your business. Next is Xero, which I use for my business finances because guys, we need to be making money and we need to be making it correctly and smartly and making a profit. You could be making so many sales and not make a profit, which is what had happened to me in the past. And now I use tools like Xero to keep track of everything from managing my revenue, tracking my expenses, being prepared and ready for the UK tax season, and just understanding my business's financial health, profit and loss, which then helps me to strategize my next steps for the month ahead on how much I need to sell, what I should sell more of, what I should sell less of in order to make a healthy profit. I love that Xero is really easy and simple to use because I am a business owner who is juggling multiple businesses, from being a creator, YouTube, managing Oso, my product business. It can get a lot. So I always need tools that are really precise and easy to use. All you have to do is just connect your bank accounts and check that every single month. I like to do mine on a Friday every week if I can, if not at the end of the month, just to keep everything up to date. If you're like me and you want to branch out to the USA because you are just kind of fed up with the UK market at the moment, which I do not blame you for, you are going to want to use this tool. This is Doula, and this is going to make your US launch so much easier. Within this one website, you can actually open an LLC in the US, a EIN, and you can do your US tax all within this one platform. If you were to do this individually using different websites, you honestly will have no idea where to start. It's very complicated, but Doula just takes all of the messiness out of that and you can do everything within the one platform. I'm using Doula to launch my business in the US so I can be compliant and do things the right way. The US market is on your vision board for 2026. You definitely want to bookmark Doula. If you didn't already know, ChatGPT pretty much runs a lot of my business for me. I am on that app every single day, and it really has helped to make my content creation process so much faster. My email marketing, just even managing my health when it comes to medication and things I should be asking healthcare providers and stuff like that. Business wise, you are going to want to use a website like ChatGPT or Gemini in order to even strategize what to sell, how much to price your items at. It's like your virtual assistant that is going to help you manage and run your business. So I definitely am going to be taking this into 2026, and I do recommend actually paying for it. I notice a difference between the free and the paid plan. The free plan cuts you off. It has a limit of how much you can ask it, and it also forgets the memory sometimes. If you are selling online, you definitely need to invest in email marketing, and that is a tool that I am also taking into 2026, and that is Omnisend. I recently moved to Omnisend from Shopify email, and I've really been enjoying the platform. I love the automations. I love the way that you can design your emails. So if you want to kind of like level up your emails, but you don't want to pay as much as like Klaviyo, because Klaviyo is really expensive. It's very good, but it's very expensive. I feel like Omnisend is just the middleman from that. It also has an integration with Shopify, so all of your discount codes, all of your products will be able to be inserted into your email marketing really easily. 30 to 40% of my sales actually come from my emails, and they recently had this new AI section within Omnisend that will actually help you to create like a whole waitlist page. I created my new collection waitlist page using the AI as like inspiration. You can also use the AI to help with your subject lines, and honestly, email marketing is going to help you to bring in sales no matter how your social media content is performing. Let's talk Asana. Now, if you are like me and you are trying to manage multiple businesses, multiple social media platforms, you have a launch coming up and you just want to organize all of your thoughts, this is the program for you. I used to actually hire an amazing virtual assistant, and she put me onto Asana. That is how we used to communicate back and forth. If you actually have a team member that you're bringing on in 2026, I recommend Asana as a way for them to see what your plans are and their tasks are. You can actually assign them tasks to do, and also a way for you to go back and forth and communicate. For the past 6 months has been amazing for me for creating my content calendar. I've tried so many ways of doing this. I've printed out a calendar to write what content I want each day. I have used Google Sheets, but I just find that Asana is great because you can use their board function. So here you can see I have boards for different platforms, and then I can include what I want to post each day, and I can also attach things like images and links to inspiration posts that will help me to create and also edit what I want to post. Asana is amazing for actually managing your content. I know some people use Notion, but I'm not really a fan of the Notion platform. I don't really like the way that it works. Asana just works better for my brain, so definitely check out Asana. We are not going to throw away a simple to-do list in 2026 because that has been my go-to since 2018. I don't know what I was doing in life without a to-do list, but I now buy this pad from Amazon that has a to-do list template. Every single day without fail, I am writing out what I need to do for the day, both personally and business and work-wise, and it has been so amazing. I find that you're so much more productive when you have a to-do list and you're just crossing out what you've done. I would recommend that you only write 3 to 5 things on your to-do list. Don't overwhelm yourself with like 20 plus tasks. Just write 3 to 5 things that are your priority each day. I recommend that you test all of these tools out for the last month of the year so that you can start fresh in 2026 and use these tools to manage your business. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on any of the tools that I have mentioned in this video. Subscribe, watch this video next, and I'll catch you in the next one.